Hello everyone, this is Miss Bramlett, and I am just going to go through a few quick things with you today. I hope everyone has had a great start to the semester. Let's start with this urgent message that I posted at the beginning of the week. This is just for observations at Beebe or Rosebud School District. If you don't plan to observe there, just ignore this message. But it is too late to get on the list for Beebe Primary School. If you did not fill out this form, unfortunately, it is too late to get on that list. But there are plenty of other schools where you can do your observations. So let's go back to the home screen again. And this is what you should see. Now, I want to tell you that the easiest way to go through my class and to navigate my class is to go through the modules. So click on modules. Sorry, my mouse is a little shaky today, but we'll soldier through it. Okay, you cannot submit these anymore because they are closed. If there is something that happened and you are not able to submit these, please let me know, and we will take care of that. The same is true for Module 1, which has also closed. I know it's the beginning of the school semester and there's just a lot going on, so before you panic, before you drop the class, before any of that, please give me a call and let me know what's going on. The second module, this is due on September 1st. Let's look at the reading assignments and other instructions. These are the vocabulary words that you are to be familiar with by the time we take the midterm. This is all about genetics, and I love to study genetics. I taught science for a while, and it's a very interesting subject. So you will just basically go through and look at Genetics 101 and what is a genotype and what is a phenotype. Basically, genes are just the maps of our physical features of what we have inherited from our parents and our grandparents and so on. A gene has what is called DNA within it, and that is a code. That's basically why you have the traits that you have. So you are going to know these words, read the chapter. It's a very quick look at genetics. Of course, if this was a biology class, you would study more on the different aspects of genetics. All right. We will also look at dominant and recessive traits. For instance, a widow's peak. That is a trait that can be inherited. The dominant form of that gene is a widow's peak, and the recessive form is not having a widow's peak. And then finally in that chapter, you will look at diseases and disorders that are hereditary, such as cystic fibrosis and hemophilia. There's a couple of videos I would like you to watch. They're very interesting. And you have one assignment for this module, and it is review questions. And it just has to do with DNA and why genes are so important in the study of human development, because that is what makes us who we are. We talk a lot in this class about nature versus nurture, so this is very much a part of that nature conversation. Okay, so that is what you're going to do with Module 2. I have also opened up Module 3 for those that want to get ahead. And of course, at this point, you should be looking for observations. I've heard back from several school districts. If anyone is interested in doing observations at Payneburn or Bald Knob, they have been very receptive, and they would take a few of our students, and I don't have placements for them yet. I think I have a couple, but if you're interested in going to those schools, let me know, and I can put you in touch with some great people. We've also had great responses from the Beebe School District, Cabot, Searcy. It's been wonderful. All they ask is that we go in and get these set up early. That way, it can be done before the end of the semester, which, of course, these are due. Let's look at the due date again. November 15th is when your observation journals are due. So if you have any questions or anything between now and Tuesday of next week, please email me and I will get back to you. You guys have a great rest of your week.